Hi, Editing Cal here. This video is just a collection of random clips from my second of the 3 Lost Vlogs. And I don't really know what's going on in it. I guess I just went and played some airsoft with some friends or something, but anyways, here's the clips. Hope you enjoy. Yo, how's it going, YouTube? We're back again, and today it looks like I'm just going to be hanging out with some buddies who I haven't seen in a while, go play some airsoft, maybe check out a car meet later. It's going to be a great time, and my face is feeling quite bare. Like, it's been the first time I've really shaved everything off, like, in a while, so get used to it, I guess, for the next couple videos, because this is what you're going to be looking at. But yeah, just letting the beamer warm up, then we're going to be heading out, so I guess I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Alright, I think it's time we do a little pull. Ready? Oh boy! The second I put the camera away, I get another good opportunity, so let's go. Woo! That's it. Alright, catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright, we made it here to VIP. And right now we're just waiting for more people to show up. We're waiting on Jonah right now. Might do another funny airsoft video on this other channel that I have, just for shits and giggles. Got all the weapons, all the fake weapons in the back of the beamer here. Should be a good time. Alright, so I just played around. It is like way more of a workout than I remember. I'm a bit out of shape, but having a whole lot of fun. This place, VIP Airsoft in Gilbert, Arizona, go check it out if that's your thing. Yeah, I'm gonna head back in there and play some more. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit, and whoosh. So, I'm not gonna end up going to that car meet tonight. It's just not gonna work out. But it was nice being able to hang out with my buddies again, play some airsoft, which I haven't done in forever. And yeah, anyways, that might be it for today. So if that is, I'll catch you guys in the next video I make. For now, I'll see you.